नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी आरजी शेख लाल बहादूर शास्त्री महाविद्यालय धर्माबाद. आपण मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये नेचर ऑफ वर्क अँड हीट पाहिले आहे, म्हणजे वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन, वर्क ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन. त्याचप्रमाणे हीटचे सुद्धा क्यू पॉझिटिव्ह ऍब्सॉर्प्शन, क्यू निगेटिव्ह इव्होल्युशन, म्हणजे एक्झोथर्मिक एंडोथर्मिक. आजच्या आपण व्हिडिओमध्ये बघू मेकॅनिकल वर्क और पीवी टाइप ऑफ वर्क. इट इज मिनिमम वर्क. यू नो देर आर टू प्रोसेस: isothermal, reversible. Isothermal, irreversible process. Reversible म्हणजे small difference, irreversible म्हणजे large difference. What is mechanical work or PV type of work? It is work obtained in isothermal irreversible expansion of gas. Remember, बघा, minimum work is obtained in isothermal irreversible process. And for that purpose, consider a gas enclosed in a cylinder having cross section area capital A, which is fitted with weightless, frictionless, movable, rigid piston. Once again I repeat, consider a gas enclosed in a ideal cylinder which is fitted with weightless, frictionless, movable, rigid piston. Okay, having cross section area capital A. Let V1 be the volume of gas. Let V1 be the initial volume of gas at temperature T. At temperature T. Let the gases expand. Let the gases expand. Gas is expand. Then the pressure exerted, the force exerted by gas is nothing but the multiplication of area of piston and external pressure. Okay, on expansion of gas, the force exerted by piston with area A multiplied by external pressure P external. Therefore, force is equal, F is equal to A into D. Okay, A into D. Force is equal to external pressure into area. ठीक है, force is equal to external pressure P external into A. But here remember that the P external is negative because during expansion the energy is liberated. Therefore, negative sign indicate less energy. Okay, this is a force is equal to P external into area. Okay. If the piston move upward due to expansion, the piston moves upward by distance dV. Okay, then what happened? Then the work is nothing but due to expansion, piston moves upward. Therefore, the work is equal to force into displacement. This is equation number 1. But we know that the value of force, we know that F is equal to minus P external into A. Okay, by putting the value of M in equation 1, we get W is equal to minus P external pressure. This is external pressure. Okay, applied on piston into A into D. Okay, but the product area and displacement, what is change in volume? Area and displacement is nothing but the change in volume. The product A into D, is a change in volume, that is delta V. Change in volume, delta V. Therefore, the above equation becomes W is equal to minus P external into, what is the value of A into D? A into D is delta V. or simply we can write here W is equal to minus P external pressure into V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 means what? Initial volume V1, final volume V2. So this is the expression for mechanical work. Mechanical work is obtained only in isothermal irreversible expansion of gas. Okay, the W is equal to minus P external into V2 minus V1. But what happened, my dear friend, here बघा आता हा वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन आहे का कॉम्प्रेशन आहे, त्यासाठी त्याचे दोन कन्व्हेन्शन आहेत. इफ W is negative, बघा W is negative, work of expansion केव्हा असेल? It takes place only when if V2 is greater than V1. V2 जर जास्त असेल V1 पेक्षा त्या ठिकाणी वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन निगेटिव्ह असेल. पण काही केस मध्ये काय असतो, W इज पॉझिटिव्ह. बघा W पॉझिटिव्ह असतो म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? वर्क ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन. आता याच्यामध्ये अपोजिट असेल, कोण जास्त असेल? ह्या केस मध्ये V1 इज ग्रेटर दॅन V2. बघा जास्त कोण आहे इथं? V2 म्हणून एक्सपान्शन. इथं जास्त कोण आहे? V1 म्हणून कॉम्प्रेशन. कॉम्प्रेशन मध्ये कमी होणे ना. when the W positive, work of compression. when the W negative, work of expansion. म्हणजेच काय वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन मध्ये? work is done by the system on the surrounding. by the system on the surrounding, expansion, whereas on the system by the surrounding, compression. ठीक है? This is a mechanical work or PV type of work. minimum work म्हणतात त्याला. minimum work is obtained in only isothermal irreversible expansion of gas. That is W is equal to minus P external pressure असतो into V2 minus V1 or delta. And it has two convention. W is negative, work of expansion only when V2 is greater than V1. W is positive only when work of compression, in that case V1 is greater than V2. ठीक आहे मित्रांनो, लिहून घ्या. तो मॅक्सिमम वर्क, कन्सेप्ट ऑफ मॅक्सिमम वर्क. आता आपण मेकॅनिकल वर्क बघितलं, वर्क ऑब्टेन इन आयसोथर्मल इरिव्हर्सिबल एक्सपान्शन ऑफ गॅस. Opposite to that, what is maximum work? The work obtained in, what is maximum work? बघा, it is the work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of gas. Very important, my dear friend. Isothermal reversible expansion of gas is known as maximum work. The work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of gas is known as maximum work. And for getting maximum work, there are some necessary conditions known as concept of maximum work. Once again I repeat, the work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of gas is known as maximum work. And for getting maximum work, we have some necessary condition known as concept of maximum work. There are 5 to 6 conditions for maximum work. Baga. What are that condition? Condition for maximum work. Conditions for maximum work. त्याला W max सुद्धा म्हणतो आपण. What is W max? Maximum work. Work maximum. W max. Just like lambda max. Valence साठी वापरतो ह्या ठिकाणी W max maximum work. What is the first condition? The work is done by any system due to two forces. Work is done due to two forces. What are that forces? Two forces. Number one, driving force. And number two, opposing force. Very important point. The work obtained due to two forces. Driving force and number two, opposing force. This is the first condition. Very important condition. Second condition, when there is no opposing force. If there is no opposing force, no work is done. More the opposing force, more is the work takes place. Baga, no opposing force, no work is done. Second condition, no opposing force, no work, but more opposing force, more work is done. More opposing force, more work. ठीक है. थर्ड कंडीशन, if driving force is greater than opposing force then maximum work obtained. If driving force is greater than opposing force then maximum work obtained. Then maximum work obtained. One more important point, if system undergoes number of steps then maximum work is obtained. बघा महत्वाचं आहे, system undergoes number of steps, maximum number of steps, more is the work. Undergoes number of steps, more work obtained. One more important condition for maximum work, when the system is present at equilibrium position. System present at equilibrium position. System is present at equilibrium position at any temperature and pressure. बघा, any temperature, pressure, then maximum work obtained. These are the condition, important condition for maximum work. सर्वात महत्वाचा आहे 6वा पॉइंट, द मॅक्सिमम वर्क ऑब्टेन इन विच प्रोसेस, आयसोथर्मल रिव्हर्सिबल. क्यों रिव्हर्सिबल? मॅक्सिमम वर्क ऑब्टेन इन आयसोथर्मल रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस. आयसोथर्मल रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस. म्हणून आपण W max is equal to Q reversible. The total energy Q reversible is equal to W max. Because the change in interland is 0. The isothermal reversible process मध्ये. So these are the important condition for maximum work. Once again I repeat the condition, maximum work only obtained due to presence of two forces, driving force and opposing force. If there is no opposing force, no work is done. More the opposing force, more is the work done. Similarly, if driving force is greater than opposing force, then maximum work obtained. Maximum work obtained if the system carried out in number of steps. अच्छा बघा, system आहे, it changed into state A to state B. A system is converted into state A to state B. Then what happened? Number of steps are there. बघा, एक step minimum work, 2 step maximum work, more number of steps, more is the work. The system undergoes number of steps, more work is done. Another important condition is the system present at equilibrium position at any temperature and pressure, then maximum work obtained. And very important condition last is maximum work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of gas. Okay, due to expansion more work is done. Okay, these are the important condition for concept of maximum work. लिहून घ्या हे. The expression of maximum work. What is maximum work? The work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of gas is known as maximum work. And for getting maximum work, we have some necessary condition. आताच आपण पाहिलेला आहे. The maximum work, the work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of gas. W max म्हणतात त्याला. काय म्हणतात? W max. W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. Show that W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1. For that purpose, बघा, consider n mole of ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder. N mole महत्वाचं आहे, 1 नाही, n mole, number of mole. N mole of ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder which is fitted with frictionless, movable, rigid piston. Okay? Let the gas expand isothermally reversibly. Gas expand isothermally reversibly, due to which the volume of gas increase from V1, initial V1 to final V2 at temperature T. Okay, काय झालं बघा, when the gas expand, the volume of the gas is changes from initial volume V1 to final volume V2. and due to which the volume of the gas is increases. Volume of gas increase, महत्वाचा point बघा. Volume of gas increases by dV and the pressure decrease by, pressure कितीने कमी झाला dP, and the pressure decrease by dP. Pressure decreases by dP, small dP बघा, small dV and small dP. Since the system undergoes number of steps, then maximum work obtained, one of the important condition, maximum work obtained. Therefore the net pressure बघा, therefore the net pressure is net pressure acting on piston, त्या piston वर जे act होणार आहे, net pressure acting on piston is equal to P minus dP. But we know that what is work? The work obtained is given by, work obtained is given by, work से equation दिलेला आहे, dW is equal to P into dV. This is equation number 1. ओके, मायनस P इंटू dV, मायनस साइन येतो आपल्याला माहिती आहे, इनक्रीज एक्सपान्शन मध्ये मायनस निगेटिव्ह असतो, मायनस P इंटू dV, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. बट वी नो व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ P हियर. बघा प्रेशर, नेट प्रेशर किती आहे, P मायनस dP आहे. देयरफॉर द dW इज इक्वल टू मायनस P मायनस dP इंटू dV. ओके, और वी कैन राइट हियर dW इज इक्वल टू मायनस क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन बघा, मायनस P इंटू dV प्लस dP into dV. This is equation number 2. Okay, as both dP and dV, बघा हे जे dP आहे and dV आहे, means increasing volume and decreasing pressure are very small, as both dP decreasing pressure and dV increasing volume are very small, hence can be neglected. Small can be neglected. बघा very small असल्यामुळे काय करतात, त्याला neglect करायचं. Then above equation becomes, therefore you can write dW is equal to minus P into dV. ठीक है, बघा this is equation number 3. minus P into dV. का? Because my dear friend, in isothermal reversible expansion, the volume of gas increased by very small dV and pressure is decreased by very small dP. They should be neglected, negligible आहे. म्हणून या ठिकाणी हे इक्वेशन भेटलं आपल्याला, dW is equal to minus P into dV, equation number 3. Okay, but you know the maximum work obtained, बघा the maximum work obtained by integrate equation 3. Maximum work obtained by integrating equation 3. Integrating equation 3 within proper limits of V1 to V2, initial and final, within the proper limit V1 to V2 we get. काय होणार आहे इंटिग्रेशन केल्यानंतर, बघा ह्या ठिकाणी मित्रांनो, इंटिग्रेशन dW is equal to minus P into dV. याचं इंटिग्रेशन आहे, काय आहे, इनिशियल वॉल्यूम V1 to final V2. This is initial and this is final. Okay, this is equation number 4. But for ideal gas, for n mole of ideal gas, आपल्याकडे इक्वेशन आहे बघा, 11 मध्ये झालेला आहे, n mole of ideal gas PV is equal to nRT. ठीक आहे, PV is equal to nRT हा इक्वेशन आहे आपल्याकडे. त्याला काय करायचं, रिअरेंज करायचं. Therefore P is equal to, what is P? P is equal to nRT by V. बरोबर आहे. By putting the value of P in equation 4 we get, by putting the value of P in equation 4 we get, बघा the maximum work is given by, dw इज इक्वल टू मायनस p ची किंमत किती आहे बघा, v1 to v2, p ची किंमत किती आहे nRT by v into dv. But we know that since nRT are constant, number of mole constant, R gas constant, T temperature. Since the nRT are constant, they are out of integration, are constant. Hence they kept out of integration. मग ह्याच्या पुढे काय होणार बघा हे ठिकाणी nRT are constant, then we write here काय लिहिणार बघा याच्या नंतर बघा मित्रांनो वरती लिहितो मी या ठिकाणी nRT is constant, therefore write here बघा therefore dW is equal to minus nRT, okay, integration v1 to v2 dv upon v. ठीक है, as the process is isothermal reversible बघा as the process is isothermal reversible, isothermal आहे reversible आहे, then total work is what, then the total work dW is W max. काय होणार ते dW maximum work, म्हणून आपण काय लिहू शकतो therefore W max is equal to minus nRT integration v1 to v2 dV upon v. ठीक है, on solving integration we get here बघा मित्रांनो on solving integration we get integration solve करायचं therefore right here W max is equal to minus nRT log to the base v log to the base e v lower limit to upper limit, okay, lower limit upper limit, or finally right here W max is equal to minus nRT बघा upper limit काय आहे v2 minus v1 log to the base e v2 minus log to the base e v1, or we can write here W max is equal to minus nRT log to the base e upper limit v2 divided by lower limit v1. This is equation number 5. Okay, काय करायचं बघा on changing logarithm to the base 10, on changing logarithm to base 10 we get काय येणार बघा log ची किंमत 2.303 log to the base 10 असते, therefore finally write here W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 v2 upon v1. This is the final expression for work of expansion in isothermal reversible. का बर since बघा since log to the base e is 2.303 log to the base 10 बघा ही किंमत आहे, ओके, समजलं. This is the maximum work in what isothermal reversible expansion. But we know that at constant temperature what is the Boyle's law, आपल्याला माहित आहे Boyle's law constant temperature ला काय आहे P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 आहे, आपल्याला माहित आहे बघा ह्या ठिकाणी at constant temperature पुढची पायरी बघा this is the maximum work in isothermal reversible expansion, okay, at constant temperature बघा at constant temperature according to Boyle's law आपल्याला माहित आहे Boyle's law P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, therefore काय येणार बघा V2 upon V1 is equal to P1 upon P2. By putting this value in instead of V2 upon V1, we got one more equation. W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 P1 upon P2. This is the maximum work of expansion in case of pressure. बघा प्रेशर साठी ते असेल निगेटिव्ह साइन इंडिकेट वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन. निगेटिव्ह साइन इंडिकेट वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन. तर मित्रांनो जर वर्क ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन असेल तर काय सांगता येईल तुम्हाला सांगा बरं. मॅक्झिमम वर्क इन केस ऑफ एक्सपान्शन काय आहे. W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1. Here the value N is the number of mole, R is the gas constant, its value is fixed 8.314 joule per mole per second. त्याच्यानंतर टेम्परेचर T it should be variable. प्रेशर आणि व्हॉल्यूम हे वेगळे असतील. हे वर्क ऑफ एक्सपान्शन मध्ये. कॉम्प्रेशन मध्ये जर तुम्हाला सांगायचं झालं काय बदल करायचं कॉम्प्रेशन मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह साइन. If you make positive sign, then this is reverse V1 upon V2. Similarly, this is positive V2 upon P1. हे लक्षात ठेवायचं परीक्षेमध्ये. ठीक आहे. So this is the expression of maximum work. परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलं show that W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1. This is very important derivation for maximum work. Okay, लिहून घ्या हे. आपण इथे थांबूत. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.